Teoh Beng Hock's body was exhumed on Saturday for a second autopsy at Sungai Buloh Hospital. The exhumation had been ordered by the inquest into the political aide's recent death after Thai pathologist Dr. Pontip Rojanasunan testified that his likely cause of death was homicide and not suicide. Teoh was found dead on the 5th floor of the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission (MACC) office in Shah Alam on July 16, and an inquest into his death is ongoing at the Shah Alam Coroner's Court. Leland had earlier told the press that she felt heavy-hearted over the exhumation, but hoped the second autopsy would reveal her brother's cause of death.
Ni exhumation sangat berat hati, tapi kena buatlah untuk cari kebenaran. Harap ni second postmortem dia truth will prevail.
Gobind Singh Deo, counsel for the Teoh family, said the body appeared to be in good condition.
Besok postmortem akan diketuai oleh Dr. Syahidan, iaitu ketua unit forensik dan patologi Hospital Sungai Buloh. Beliau akan bukan dibantu tapi buat bersama dengan Dr. Pontip, dan saya telah pun meminta agar semua pihak yang terlibat dan berkenaan menghantar pakar-pakar mereka.
Dr. Pontip was also approached by reporters after Teoh's body was exhumed.
What's the condition of the body?
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
So can be examined. Can find out more truth about the
Tomorrow morning, the doctors, in Malaysia, will do the autopsy. The second autopsy.
Yeah.
And the UK doctor will attend, an observer.
Also present were Teoh's former boss, Selangor State Executive Councillor Yen Yong Hian Wah, DAP Parliamentary Leader Lim Kit Siang, and another Selangor State Executive Councillor Ronnie Liu. Norazia Abdul Rahman, The Star, Malaysia.